What's up guys, Upcycle the Past here. On today's episode we are going to continue with the strip down of the Blue Mark 1. I will try to strip everything from the car, including the electrical work and all of the moving parts, so the bare chassis remains only. So wish me luck, and if you're interested, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. You can never know what you find. What a shame that she didn't protect the car from all this rust. Check that out, guys. So some mice during the years built a little nest in here, which is absolutely freaking disgusting. Whew, nasty. Ugh. but look at that, guys. Zero rust. This part is really good. I'm really happy with this. Look, check this out. Zero rust. Only some minor surface rust, but this panel, it's legit. I started the metal work by removing the rear end, which was rotten away. And also, I'm certain that the whole back panel was changed during the car's life, because the welds were not the factory ones, hence why it rusted so badly. I started with an easy task: repair the spare wheel tub. But slowly I realized that I suck at welding, and buying the cheapest MIG welder was not a good decision at all. After a couple of hours of agony and melted metal, I just gave in and I called all of my friends and asked for advice. They told me to scrap it and buy a better car because it's not worth it at all, because the damage is way too big on this chassis. I did the opposite, obviously. I found someone who will do all the metal work here in the village for $700. Yeah, I know, it's not cheap, but at least the chassis will survive and I can finish the project. Also, I will buy all the spare parts needed to complete the chassis restoration, as requested by this guy. Inner and outer rocker panels, inner and outer wheel arches, left back corner changed, both floor panels, and many more. Enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing, smash the like button, it helps a lot, leave a comment, and see you in the next one. Bye guys!